Hey guys, welcome back for Mills Beauty. It's so good to see you all. So today I wanted to do something that was about empowering women and doing something that you love, like shopping, and also helping a woman out. So what I want to talk about are these bracelets and earrings and necklaces that are being sold. And basically what they are is they're made of little glass beads by women in Nepal, and every time you purchase one of these, you're helping them raise above poverty and giving them a chance to, you know, feel empowered and purchasing an item that they're making in hopes of, you know, making some money and helping feed their families. So these bracelets come in like a ton of different colors, and they come in beautiful different patterns, and they're totally stackable. The ones that I'm wearing right now are black and white. I love that they have different patterns, but they look good together, and it looks like, you know, something that you just threw on and you can wear them casually, you can wear them to go out, whatever. They're really beautiful. The earrings that I have on are also made by them, and they're super light and just really cute for, like, you know, like summer or like a little boho outfit. And you have tons of different types and styles to choose from on their website. The one thing that's really beneficial is also that their shipping is super fast, so that's also really nice. And you know, you do something that you love and you feel good about yourself because you're wearing this, and it's also a good icebreaker, and somebody will ask you about it and you can say, hey, you know what, on this website you can go to Sashka.com and you can purchase yourself one as well and wear it and love it and be stylish, but also feel good about purchasing it and helping someone else out. So I just wanted to talk about these bracelets, and I'm going to zoom in right now and show you guys what these look like. So the first one that I got is this one, and it has little tiny white glass beads that are sort of like in a 4 shape. The second one that I have is a white one, and it has like mainly white beading with some glass braiding throughout with black color. And then the last one that I got is a black one with a little bit of like a zigzag white beading going on in it. There are orange ones, red ones, pink ones, whatever. You can get different colors. I just went with black and white because it goes with everything and I can wear them daily and not think about if it goes with my outfit or not. Same with the earrings. I know I went with black, but you can get so many that are brighter and more noticeable, so you could really talk about them. In terms of the packaging, these pieces come in these cute little mesh baggies. So they look like this. And inside you have a little note that tells you this bracelet was hand crocheted by bead by a skilled artisan in the Kathmandu Valley of Nepal. Your purchase empowers women to rise above poverty through fair trade. And again, the website is Sashka.com. So I'm going to leave a link to the pieces that I chose for myself and also for the website, and you guys can go ahead and pick some up and let me know what you think about them. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope that you decide to, you know, go and purchase something and make a difference in someone's life. Thank you so much.